think the Slingshots have a ZX10 engine in them. ZX10. I think it's a ZX10 or ZX6. I don't remember. You see me? Two wheels up front. 2 wheel up front and 1 wheel around the back. Clap it! So these vehicles are licensed as motorcycles. As you can see the plate right there. Yeah. So they're not licensed as cars because they only have 3 wheels. See, you see me? See the round back section here now. Have a blouse and skirt brake caliper around here, so. Yeah. You see me? And the back end kinda enclosed. You see me? Slingshot S. Them very, very nimp. You see me? Have a shock around here, so. I don't think this shock is the same size as a bike shock. Belt driven. Okay. Belt driven. So see the normal. Go to sound light. See the normal bike shock there, and then the Slingshot shock. It look fatter, and of course it have to be a little bit. It have to be bigger because it support all of this weight. You see me? Yeah.
Black protector for this one.
So no burn out.
Who sell it? I'll gas station.
A car, no, normal car thing, man. Car something. Yeah.
Flat black. It coming on like it coming on like you see the same something where the polish them coming in? Yeah. It coming and see something like that. Just
leather
seats.
seats.
Station, it can pop on the seat.
I'll buy a seat belt.
Where's the take out, so?
Handbrake.
And keep off the dust them off. You know what do thing already.
Have normal gear control, so you have drive, neutral and reverse. So all you do if you select a gear, you just press. It have radio, Bluetooth, everything, hazard, everything, speedo, yes that. Yeah man, speedo, RPM gauge on the right, steering wheel, you have your control over this, so volume and I think. Hold on, this have what name there? Cruise control? Bombard! Cruise control. Yes sir. Have your big
traction and you can drive in a 3 different modes.
yeah.
Edition and the mode.
Oh, it's like rain mode and okay. The boss I say it have 3 different modes.
Then I go tell you what happened. You see this? The machine and that.
Yeah man, inspire the young generation, you know? This is a good look. Dogs and Ruly. Yeah man.
Where are they? Hold the foot straight and take her when I right. Yeah. Yeah. The battery get fat.
Hey.
Here, Bakas. No, look at that picture here, baby. Tell them nothing bad on this. Bad man, take over.
Yeah Yeah man, people, so my first experience being so close to a slingshot, you see? Yeah man. Yeah man, let me know how you don't like it, you don't like it. You see me? Is this a practical vehicle on the road? I mean, as in 3 wheels, 1, 2, and the next one the road, so 3 wheels, you see me? It not have, some of them have the top part on it, like the cage over it, you see me? And thing. Don't you say you have your gas pedal, you see me? Yeah. I think you have some manual transmission ones, you see me? But I want to go on this, sir. Hold on, I missed that. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I think you have some manual ones, I don't remember. You see me? But, yeah, man, Polaris Slingshot. You see it up close and personal. Just like a car, you have your indicator toggle. Not indicator, you have your headlight toggle. Oh, indicator toggle too. You see me? And all of them things they push to start. Yeah. Cup holder. You see me? Yeah, man. Hey, yes, you should have put the GoPro, you know? Should have put on a GoPro up here, so. Capo. Right, that's so. You see it? Yeah, man. Fully active people. You see me?
I'm bad watching this. Ready now? Shot
Yeah?
that video. Show the picture of Paradise Stone Food.
And don't forget capos. Bad R1.
Ready? Stone Food there, camera up on the back. Give us your phone.
Are your phone I'm gonna use?
Oh, my phone?
Yeah. Shot some picture people. I rev this. How I rev this? Oh, let I rev.
She gave me respect that you're more than vagina. God bless me with a coffee to the cider. No plan B. When you talk good man, she know the dirty China. Girl inna me bed and she no battery dolly. Never come on no push her like no supermarket.